Uze yuko agira neza ukuri kose sinobambeshe siyo naba biwe oya.
What's good, everybody? I'm on the farm, building a new shed for the cows. As you can see, we've already completed one half, and right now I'm doing the second half. I'm just cutting the poles to make them even, and we're gonna start preparing the roofing. There's 10 cows in total. There's a baby one in the house. We'll keep them away from the big ones just for safety reasons, until it's old enough to start grazing with the others. We're also doing security. As you can see, we've started to put woven some trees around the compound. We're hoping to extend this in the upcoming year. So that space that's prepared, we're gonna add another compound, maybe twice as big, just to expand or scale what we're trying to do here. So we're preparing to bring more goats and even have rooms for chickens, rabbits, things like that. So that's what I'm looking forward to achieving at the moment. There was a big bush, guys, when I first came here, so we've basically taken control over the nature, and as you can see, the lands are more visible now because the bushes are cut down, so when the cows are grazing, they don't have to worry about, moving through the bush like how they did before. I think it's more convenient for them when things are going how they are at the moment. So guys, this is the second part. So in total there's 7 rooms, big rooms as well, so 7 rooms. And yeah guys, we're gonna also include a storage for food for the cows and goats, and I hope that you guys can continue following me on this journey. As you guys can see, but there's a lot of wood, there's a lot of work to be done, but there's a lot of wood, so that's how you guys know I'm serious about this. This is one of my investments, guys. This is something that I want to come back to maybe 40 years from now and say, I'm so glad that I did this, because not only do I get to live off the grid, but I also have something of my own. It's a pleasure to be able to have something, that you can come back to and say, I really put, my hard work into this, and now I'm starting to see the results. Yeah, we're really gonna transition this place and make it look nice, so that anybody who comes here can say, yeah,
mundekenywe kubia sitresi zintami mpakuchupa wenywele mundekenywe kubia sitresi zintami mpakuchupa.
This is our cow zone building layout, a detailed plan showing how we're organizing our cattle section on the farm. On the bottom side, shed 1 is already complete, while the other 3 sheds are still under construction, as you'll see in the video. Each room will serve specific purposes like feeding, milking, or resting. The large storeroom at the top is where we'll keep food, medicine, and farm tools. The main walkway through the middle allows easy movement between the rooms, sheds, making management efficient and organized. This layout helps us to visualize the full setup before everything is complete, and is just the beginning of building a strong foundation for our livestock farming. Suddenly, it started to rain, and there was nothing more we could do but take cover. And as we took cover, we started to witness how the rain penetrated the first shed that we had built, and we knew straight away that we had to do something about that. And so we took matters into our hands.
Omwenge kunyumisa nnyo ebala, omwenge kunyumisa nnyo bubaga, mpakunde kopisa kende kunondetera entondo ametwenyera n'omwenge abantu benyera n'ekyenge abamu banyaze mawet champagne champagane n'ebbereya waliyo omwenge bigere bambito yasechupa nwana yeto yasechupa omwenge ne woba tolina nsimbi wali abalodi abadugaze emmeeza tuuka wali gw'omusute omuyite nti memba
mundekenywe kubia sitresi zintami mpakuchupa wenywele mundekenywe kubia sitresi zintami mpakuchupa ebyancha lelo kanywemu komoli mbela yo Monday to Sunday.
Ready, set, go.